listing, makes it easier. We just took the top off and cleaned it up a little bit. So I'll walk around and we'll take and show you the inside. Just FYI, there's a brand new battery in it. And we also did diagnostics on the motor, and there's no issues with it, and it only has 50 hours. We weren't sure the total number of hours. We did not use it much at all. Show you that it's a 440 horse. It's in great condition. The vinyl has 0 issues. We always put UV vinyl protectant on it every year. This table comes out if you want. Cup holders everywhere. And the storage is great. Every one of these benches has storage underneath. There's a Helix 5 Hummingbird, kind of like a depth fish finder kind of thing. We liked it because it always showed us the depth. I'm going to back up and let you see. Oh, I was going to show you this too. Has a tap on it. It's no issues at all with the top. There you go.